Okay, we'll now go over year 2017, question 3 is a multiple choice for cancel intermediate to find what's my multiply for alpha, beta, gamma, theta. As a multiple choice, I'll show the quick way of doing this. Actually, you only need to identify if beta or gamma is positive or negative. You should be able to guess the choice. There are only one or two choices that you can wipe out from there. How do I know? P4O10 is showing as reactant in my overall, but it's showing as product. Means my beta needs to be negative. If my beta needs to be negative, I can flip the whole reaction. That's the only way to make P4O10 shift from products to reactants. Make sense? Okay, the same goes here. PCl5 is also needs to be negative. Otherwise, it's in product. However, in my overreaction, it falls into the category of reactant. The only possible way will be you shift flip the whole reactions. Okay, if it's multiple choice, you are down here. There's only one choice that matches both beta and gamma negative. What's the concept between this one that I'm trying to test? I'm already writing here, intermediate. Who are intermediates? I'm going to, in my class, I circle intermediates with green. What is intermediate? Intermediate is anything that show up in my stepwise reaction, but did not show up in my overall. Okay, who showed up in my overall? PCl4. Okay, this showed up in my overall. This showed up in my overall. Okay, which means everything that I did not, okay, here, all the green are intermediate, okay? These are intermediate. You will try to manipulate alpha, beta, gamma, theta to make all the parts I circled with green cancel. If they show up in reactants, you need to have this one swap until this P4 is also canceled in the other side. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so how do we do that? The best way to do it is match what you have for the overall. Since my overall here is 1, this is positive 6, positive 10. I want this here to be 1, so this will need to be 1. Make sense? Okay, so my beta is negative 1. That's how I determine. I only have this 1 show up once, right? Okay, this is a 6, so this needs to be 6. My gamma needs to be negative 6. If this side is 6, 6, 6, then I will need to cancel whatever I introduce this 6 with. For example, PCl3. This one I introduced, so keep in mind it's negative 6. So PCl3 is actually in the, okay, let me rewrite this one down.
It's in the product. So
Yeah, so this one rewrite, it will be 6PCl5. I'll ignore the state symbol for now, okay. It's going to be P6PCl3, 6Cl2, okay. Keep in mind, after I introduce this negative 6, it's in the product side now. So when I'm canceling this theta just needs to be calculated based on how much PCl6 I form. Apart from here, I also have something here. Okay, so I will hold on my theta until I finish my gamma. Make sense? Okay, how do I deal with my gamma? There are 6 chlorine. And chlorine only happens here. Means my gamma needs to be 1. So this 6 chlorine cancels this 6 chlorine. Make sense? Okay. Now how much theta I need? I will need 4, 6, a total of 10. So I will need 10 PCl3 to cancel all the PCl3.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So 10 here. So this will be 10 times half equals to 5, and this will be 10. And then we can count if that also, 5 oxygen cancels the 5 oxygen here. Keep in mind that's negative. So this one will be 10. Make sense? So that's how you calculate if you want. But just multiple choice, you can stop when you figure out both beta and gamma are negative. Then you can already move on. Cool? Okay, any questions on this?
So, you know how on the third one it flips over? Wouldn't that be a negative term because you would have to flip over P?
So
on
the
the
negative is indicating by your reactants show up in product side, your product show up in reactant side. That's what negative means.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Sounds good?
Yeah. This
Okay.
is good.